Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is our garden and raised bed tour in July. Our cone has produced its first male flower at the top of the plant. Female flower lies lower on the stem and is also referred to as silk. Our tomato planter is full of tomato leaves and we will need to do some pruning. I am pinching off some young suckers. They grow at a 45-degree angle between the main stem and the leaf. For the bigger suckers, I am using my garden shears. We are getting our first male squash flower. There is a nasty surprise waiting at the cucumber plant. We are getting a lot of cucumber beetles this year. It is a beetle with black and yellow stripes. We will need to keep their numbers in check so that they don't destroy our crop. One of the methods that worked for me is to have a bowl with a tablespoon of dishwashing soap and water and put it underneath the beetle. Then gently pinch the beetle off the flower with your fingers. I caught 3 of them this morning, so I am super happy. We managed to pick quite a few red currants this year. It was definitely kids' favorite source of vitamin C at the time, and they enjoyed picking them as well. Here is our first squash female flower. 2 male flowers are growing at the bottom. Our beefsteak tomatoes are getting bigger. I found a little helper in the spider who's been snacking on a cucumber beetle. Our pumpkins and cucumbers have grown a lot and need more space to breathe. I am going to take out the fence for them and hopefully no animals start attacking the crops. This week we found some very invasive pests called the Japanese beetles destroying our roses. 2 years ago they managed to completely destroy our grapes and we had to cut the plants down. It's definitely a bug to keep an eye out for. I haven't pruned my tomatoes in the planter too much. These are the terminate tomato plants and it's only recommended to remove all suckers below their first flower cluster. If you do any pruning at all above the first flower cluster, you'll only be throwing away potential fruit. This upper sucker that comes out already has lovely flowers. We spotted a baby garter snake near our raised planter. His mama and siblings will probably be somewhere close by. We had a little extra wooden cuttings from our plants, so we decided to start a bonfire. We then roasted some yummy marshmallows. Ashes can be used in the compost. We had a severe storm one day with a tornado warning in some parts of the country. I discovered the next day that some of our tomato plants did not make it through the strong winds. So I had to do even more pruning. Look at this. Luckily, I think it turned out okay in the end. And maybe this is how I should have pruned them in the first place. There is more airflow and the sun can access the plants at the back as well. I even got some green tomatoes out of the broken branches. Decided to make some tasty dal with them. Cheers! If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.